Hello, this is just to show you how you sync your colors from your Ace box and how you sync it with the Anycubic Slicer Next. So first of all, make sure that you've got your colors on the screen here. So you can choose the colors on here by actually clicking on the spool, and then underneath you get a little looks like a little pencil, so you can click on that. You can change the color to whatever, and also you can change the material, and then you save it. So once you've done that, which corresponds to what you've got in the Ace Pro, then you just go over to the Anycubic Slicer Next, and I'll show you how to make sure it's synced up with your Ace Box Pro. So once you've done your colors on the printer screen, you then come over to the Anycubic Slicer Next. You'll see mine's already synced up, but if yours isn't and it's showing different colors to what you've got in your Ace Pro box, all you do is you come up here. You've got a plus or minus, and then you've got synchronized filament list from Ace Pro. So you just click on that, and then you just push continue sync, and it'll change the colors to what you've actually got on your printer screen. So that's how easy it is to change it over. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and keep an eye out for other videos I'll be posting.